Hello together. So I want to make a new video and talk about ancient metric in NX. First, I faced a lot of times with metric parts, metric tools, and need to program it in inch. So I need always to recalculate everything and take time and it's not so comfortable. I want to show you some tricks. Maybe you know them already, maybe not. I want to show you some tricks how to work in NX with calculating and converting data um, in the dialogs, and especially some new functions you got in 2312. Pretty cool stuff. I hope you can enjoy it, and we go on. So we have here a part with diameter 30 in millimeters, and we need to program now in inch. What we need to run is for sure manufacturing mode and start in a inch template. So you don't need to change your part to inch values. You can just load this part in an inch template. The values are still for the part by self in metric, but you probably program or work in your setup in an inch setup always in inch. So we're creating a tool and we say now, okay, it's a mill tool, and you see here we have a metric part and here diameter is inch value. So it means 25.4 millimeters in diameter now. So I have a diameter 63 face milling tool or face milling cutter, and I know the values in, and I have two possibilities. I can calculate it in NX or use a calculator. Calculate it in NX, just give you a number and divide by 25.4. That's your inch value. Other way is to use expression commands and expression and to automatically let NX calculate them. So I have a 63 bracket millimeters and go. That's it. Just easy. Same way it works like if you make value 2.5 IN. It works opposite way for sure in a metric template. You can recalculate everything in your template directly in the parameters in the parameter dialogs. So we can say that the flute length is about 10 millimeters. And overall length is 14 millimeters. That should be my face mill. Good, simple, not really complicated. Insert operation. I do just a face mill. We take a semi-finish method. The same like you can use these fields here. The same, they want to make an 0.1 stock in millimeters, just write it. That's it. You can use this kind of inputs in each dialogs you use here. So we switch to NX 2312. Same, we can do it here. standalone part. Whoop, make a mistake, sorry. Here the same, you can create a tool, say it's diameter 633 millimeters, and that's it. Flute length 10 millimeters, length 13 millimeters. So, need to load the part. Now, we can use some cool new functions. NX 2312. You need to open them in early access features and search for the word expression. So, allow usage of system and tool expression within CAM operations. Right click on the state and choose on. You don't need to restart your application. Hit OK, and that's it. Now, if you create an operation, you can use here something like step over, or we use deep haircut. You can use here the flute length percentage. And other types of operations, that's a new zigzag milling, and other type of operations. You have here a selection inch or a function. Now I want the same, like I have this function in a new operation type in a zigzag milling. Use a flute length. You can now say that deep haircut is a function. On the information window, you get here all informations you get now. At the moment, we have no tool chosen. So I choose this tool, and I see now all the values of the tool I got from the system, and we have a flute length. I copy this value, the name of this value, say here function, and say tool flute length multiplied by 0.5, so 50% of them. And you see the per cut will be automatically calculated in inch. And you can use these functions in every window here inside you have in the NX 2312 operation windows. Pretty simple, pretty cool. I like this function. To define the geometry. And geometry is a thickness. Yeah, just I want thickness about of 5 millimeters. Say the same 5 millimeters. It will be recalculated here. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.